Hey everyone, Adam here from Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park. One of the questions we get all the time is, what exactly is covered under the GM factory warranty and how does extended coverage work? Let's break it down for you. When you buy a new Chevrolet, you actually receive several layers of factory protection. The first is the bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. This is going to cover most major components and systems on the vehicle for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. Next is the powertrain warranty, which covers major components like the engine, transmission, drivetrain for 5 years or 60,000 miles. During this time, you'll also receive roadside assistance, courtesy transportation coverage, which can be a huge benefit if something unexpected happens while you're on the road. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions we hear is that once the factory warranty expires, you're completely on your own. And that's where the extended warranty coverage comes in. Extended service contracts can continue protecting many of the major components and systems after your factory warranty ends. Now, depending on the coverage you select, protection can extend for additional years and miles, helping shield you from potentially expensive repair costs down the road. For customers who drive a lot of miles or plan to keep their vehicle for 8-10 years, extended coverage can provide a lot of peace of mind. For someone who leases or trades every few years, it may not be as important. The key is matching the coverage to you and know how you actually use your vehicle. At Apple Chevrolet, we'll walk you through exactly what your factory warranty includes and help you understand all your options so you can make the best decision for you, your family, and of course, your budget. If there's another question you'd like to answer in the future videos, please leave it in the comments for me. Thanks for watching.